Good. Oh, shit. I really hope my foot isn't hurt. I don't think anything's hurt. I don't think I am, but fuck. Sand. Damn it. That was a bad one. You fucking sand. Oh, booty. I love you. Oh, man. My ankle. I hope this guy's gonna come help. Well, I'm sure glad I have boots today. The sand got me. Damn it. Well, that was from last time. But
you okay?
Yeah, well, I think I am. I don't think anything's broken.
Need some help getting it up, right?
Yeah. I don't think I can use my leg to push it right now. I'm not sure. I think I can still... I think I'm fine, actually. I probably just got bruised.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah. Oh, man. Brake lever's all ruined. Well, it still works.
That'll be alright.
I gotta get
a leg over.
Yeah, I gotta get this bar replaced now. Let me see.
Close to home?
Yeah. Yeah, I just live right off a... So... I think I can...
Get it off
I didn't even see that sand there.
I've been crawling through it at 2 corners.
Yeah.
Because they still, I mean...
They haven't cleaned them up very well, have they?
We've had plenty of rain, but it hasn't... Definitely. Oh, you're on that right?
You need a ride somewhere, I can take you and you can park it up here.
I think I'm actually okay. I'll just have some bruises, maybe a skinned knee.
Yeah,
but
you got lucky. You're covered up good.
I am. That's why I got boots. Because my foot was like right trapped under here for a second.
I just crawled through corners, man. Just because there's sand everywhere.
Didn't even see it.
Yeah, you'll never get off.
Man, I gotta get this one replaced too.
Two fairings.
Yeah, but these are like $70 a piece out the door, which is pretty good.
You look like you're walking all right.
Yeah.
You got it on video?
I did. If you want to see it, I'll put it on my channel. I'm on YouTube as Clay Rider with a K. 2 separate words.
Clay Rider with a K?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 separate words.
I'll look for it.
Yeah. Probably get that edited and put up tonight. Yeah, thanks for your help. Oh boy. So, what really got damaged here? That got broke up. Does it work? Yeah, it works. I don't know. I can't tell if my forks are bent or not. I don't think they are. Last time I went down, they didn't bend. That's the only thing that really got bent other than the fairing and the light. Yeah. Man. Got more stuff to repair now. Gotta look for sand more. So, that's why we look for sand, children. Alright, I'll see you guys later.